Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 3, Unit 2, Lesson 10, A Balancing Act.
Welcome back to Eyes Open 3, designed especially for the 9th grade, to page 28. Review for Units 1 and 2. Section 1. Vocabulary. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. There are 2 extra words that are not going to be used. Section 3. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the phrases in the box. Section 4. Choose the correct words. Now, explore. Vocabulary. Section 5. Choose the correct words. Section 6. Complete the text with the words in the box. Page 29. Language Focus. Section 1. Complete the sentences with the present continuous or present simple of the verbs in the box. Section 2. Complete the sentences and the questions with the verbs in brackets. Use the past continuous or past simple. Section 3. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Section 4. Choose the correct words. Now for Section 5. Language Builder. Choose the correct words to complete the conversation. Section 6. Speaking. Match the sentences. Now let's go ahead and jump to Workbook, page 24, Unit 2 Review. This is to be done as usual, and I will go ahead and take this once you are done. So if you are not in class and I cannot get your book, you are distant, go ahead and send me these pages for your review. Section 2. Review. Vocabulary. Priorities. Section 1. Match the phrases with the examples. Performing. Section 2. Put the letters in brackets in order to make words. Section 3. Language Focus. Should, must. Complete the letters with should or shouldn't. Section 4. Match the sentences and complete them with must or mustn't. Don't have to versus mustn't. Section 5. Complete the sentences. Use don't have to, doesn't have to, or mustn't. Page 25. Language Builder. Section 6. Circle the correct options. Vocabulary Builder. Section 7. Circle the correct options. Speaking. Section 8. Put the words in the correct order to make phrases for helping someone to do something. Page 26. Get it right. Unit 2. Should, must. Section 1. Find and correct 5 more mistakes with should and must in the rules. Have to. Section 2. Find and correct 6 more mistakes with have to in the email. Need to. Section 3. Circle the correct option. Page 88 of your workbooks. Speaking extra. Offering to help. Section 1. Match the sentence halves from the Real Talk video in the student's book. Section 2. Listen and choose the correct answers.
Track 13. Listen and choose. Conversation 1.
I'm not sure what to say to Helen. What's the problem?
I just want to send her a message to say I'm sorry about last night.
Conversation 2.
This exercise is impossible. Do you know how to do it?
What's up?
Well, I'm not sure how to do this maths problem.
All you have to do is add these 3 numbers and then multiply by 5.
Oh, okay. I understand it now. That's very kind of you. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Conversation 3.
Hey Jason, can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
It's this history project. I can't find any information about it on the internet.
What do you need?
I want to find a picture of a Viking ship.
Well, all you have to do is search images. Just type Viking ship.
Ugh, I can't believe I didn't think of that. Thanks.
Section 3. Read the conversation. Where do Lily and Chloe look for information first? Section 4. Complete the conversation in exercise 3 with the words in the box. Then listen and check. Pause the video right now and go ahead and fill in the conversation in section 3. And then resume the video to listen to the recording to help you get the answers and the correction.
Track 14. Listen and check.
Hey, Chloe. Can I ask you something? Yeah, sure. What's up? It's this social science project. I have to write a biography of Nelson Mandela, but I'm not sure where to start. He was very famous. What do you need? Well, where do I find out about him? I think you should look on the internet first. Here, let me help you. Thanks. That's really nice of you. It's easy. All you have to do is look at an online encyclopedia. Read about him and make notes of the most important moments in his life. I'm not very good at deciding what's important. Don't worry. I'll give you a hand if you like. Great. That's really kind.
Pronunciation focus, linking words. Section 5. Listen to the sentences. Which words are linked? Listen and repeat.
Track 15. Listen and repeat. 1.
Can I ask you something?
2.
I'll give you a hand.
3.
Let me show you.
4.
I'm not sure how to do it.
5.
What do you need?
Section 6. Now listen to the conversation. What 2 things does Lewis want to know? And then listen again if you need to, and complete the conversation in section 7.
Track 16. Listen to the conversation.
Hi, Lewis. What are you doing?
Oh, hi Oliver. Just some homework. But I'm so tired.
Here, I'll give you a hand if you like.
Thanks. I'm not very good at history.
It's not that difficult. All you have to do is write the correct date.
Yes, but I'm not very good at remembering dates, especially when I'm tired.
Yeah, I know. You forgot my birthday. What do you need?
Let's see. When did the Romans come to Britain?
That's in chapter 1 of the history book. Here, let me show you.
Thanks. Oliver, can I ask you something?
Sure. What's up?
How do I get a good night's sleep?
You have to feel relaxed before you go to sleep.
Okay, but I'm not sure how to do that.
Well, let's finish this history quiz first. Let's see. The Romans in Britain. Lewis? Lewis?
Page 97. Language Focus Extra. Schuld. Section 1. Two friends are planning a party. Write sentences and questions with should. Add extra words if necessary. Must. Section 2. Complete the sentences with must or mustn't. Section 3. Circle the correct options. Section 4. Have to, don't have to. Complete the sentences and questions with the correct form of have to. Section 5. Complete the sentences with don't have to or mustn't, and the verbs in the box. Once you have completed this review, make sure that you hand it in to the teacher, whether it be in person or via classroom. Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.